All right. I'm on a roll today. So here we go. I'm going to be talking about the beautiful box method. So I'm going to be talking to you about the beautiful box method. And I really enjoy the box method. Why? Because it organizes everything for you. It allows you to put a new paper on there. See if you have any mistakes. You can see exactly where everything is. And so it's really, I think it's a really good tool. So for today, I'm going to be exploring, let's see, x plus 5 and x minus 8. So here I have two binomials that I'm going to be multiplying. Normally people tell you, oh, go ahead and FOIL. But, sometimes with foiling, there's a lot of you're prone to more errors that way. But if you try my beautiful box, some of those errors are now reduced. So here's my box. Notice that I have a double line that separates the inside of the box versus the outside of the box. So the outside of the box are my factors. Whatever's in the inside is going to be a product. So I'm going to take this x plus 5, and it doesn't matter where you put it. You can put it on the side or you can put it on the top. It doesn't matter. X plus 5 right here, and then I'm going to put the x minus 8 here. And so now I'm going to go ahead and proceed to multiplying. So I know that x times x is x squared. If you don't understand what this is, I have a video on exponent rules and multiplied. So remember, I have x to the 1 times x to the 1. They're two exponents of the same base. So all I have to do is just add the powers. That gives me x squared. So just a little crash course. Go to that video if you need to. X times negative 8, x times negative 8 gives me negative 8x. X times positive 5 gives me a positive 5x. Even if your answer is positive, you want to still put that because the inside of my box is all going to be added up. And then I have a positive 5 times a negative 8, that's negative 40. Remember, I'm multiplying right here. And actually, you've already seen this box. If a lot of us don't like multiplication, and sometimes we don't remember our multiplications, this box has already been in our lives many times. When we have something like this, we have this thing that goes like this. It's in the back of our notebooks. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, and 2 times 2 is 4, 6, 8, 10. Have you seen that before? Yeah, that's the box. It's just that now I'm using it with variables. So now I'm going to go ahead and add. The beauty of the box also is that all my like terms are diagonals. So if you notice here, these homies right here, they're like terms, so I'm able to combine them. So the final answer is going to be the addition of the end of the box. So it's going to be x squared plus 5x minus 8x minus 40. And that's going to give me x squared minus 3x, because 5x minus 8x gives me negative 3x minus 40. So that is my answer. This is in factored form, but if I turn it into standard form, I get x squared minus 3x minus 40. So that is my box. I need you to understand this one because once we move into factoring, I also use the box. I do a backwards box for that. Let's do another quick little example. I'm going to move this over, and I'm going to do 3x minus 1 and x plus 7. So random numbers again. So here I go. So I'm going to put my box again, and I'm going to put in my double variables. And I'm going to plug in my first one. So now I'm going to put this one up here so you can see it doesn't matter. So 3x minus 1, and I have x plus 7. And now, here I go. So x times 3x gives me 3x squared. X times negative 1 gives me negative 1x. 3x times positive 7 gives me positive 21x. And then positive 7 times negative 1 gives me negative 7. So again, I'm going to add them all up. So I got 3x squared plus 21x minus 1x minus 7 gives me 3x squared. Let me bring that up. 3x squared. And then 21x take away 1x gives me plus 20x minus 7. Bum, bum, bum. That's my final answer. Hope you enjoyed. I'll be back with factoring. Mommy.